Welcome back. I am the average American investor. Today, I want to do again a quick disclaimer that this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Today, I would like to talk about market timing, and I made a little graph to show the Dow Jones Industrial Average since 1985 up until the present day. So as you can see, the Dow Jones back in 1985 was at 1200. Then in the year 2000, it went all the way up to 10,000 for the Dow. Then in 2003, of course, the market crashed down to 8,000. Then the market went back up until 2007 up to 13,000. And then the market crashed again in 2008, 2009, back down to 8,000. Then the market recovered all the way back up until 2019, getting all the way up to 29,000 for the Dow. And then, of course, with the recent situation, the market had a correction down to 19,000, and then now it's at about 25,000. So you can see that the general trend for the Dow is up. And of course, it goes up and down, but the general trend is up. And of course, the problem is that some people tend to buy and sell at the wrong time. They tend to buy when things are really going well at the top, and they tend to sell when things are going bad near the bottom. So what I like to do is I like to dollar cost average. That is, I like to buy a little bit each month. And again, I like to buy dividend paying stocks. So I like to reinvest the dividends back into the stock market. And so over time, you can see that the stock market generally goes up. And of course, the dividends, if they're reinvested, that'll add to your portfolio. So again, like right now with the current situation, of course, you want to not panic. You want to just see where we're at and see that, again, the general trend over time has been up. So again, you don't want to panic. You want to just evaluate the overall situation. Could the market go down further? Yes, of course it could. But it could also continue to move up as we work our way through the current situation. So again, I just want to talk about market timing, dollar cost averaging, not panicking. A lot of the big hedge funds, they're not going to panic. They're going to actually look for opportunities to buy certain sectors. For example, the oil sector is down right now, so you might want to take a look at buying a couple of oil stocks. So, all right. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. Please subscribe and like to my channel, and I'll see you next time.